Okay, now next topic is multiplication and division of integers. So for that, the table will remain same for addition, subtraction, multiplication. For all of that, table will remain same. That is, again we can recall that table. That is, plus plus becomes plus, and minus minus becomes plus, plus and minus becomes minus, and that is minus and plus becomes minus. Now नंबर्स को जैसे मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करते हैं, बेसिक मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड होगा, बस हमारे साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड में. द साइन विल गेट चेंजेस एंड द नंबर्स जो बेसिक डिविजन और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वैसे ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई -2 and 10. We have to multiply these two integers. So -2 multiply by 10. That is, one number is in negative, 2 हमारा negative में है, and 10 is a positive. 2 is in negative, 10 is positive. That means minus plus. Minus and plus sign will become now minus. Put minus sign and now multiply these two numbers. 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20. The answer is -20. One more example. For example, -7 and -6. We have to multiply these two integers, -7 and -6. First, we need to put multiply sign, and second number is in negative, so we have to keep that number in bracket. Now, first look at the sign. पहले साइन की पे देखेंगे. -7, 7 भी माइनस में और 6 भी हमारा माइनस में. That is, minus minus. Minus minus becomes plus. So plus sign is there. Now multiply both the numbers. 7 multiplied by 6. 7 6 are 42. So answer is plus 42. So no need to write plus 42. You can either write also 42 also. प्लस साइन लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. माइनस साइन हमें शो करना होता है बिकॉज द नंबर इज नेगेटिव. बट इफ द नंबर इज पॉजिटिव, नो. Now let's take another example, that is example C. When we are having more than two integers, how we'll multiply that? For example, 4 or -10, 6. See, here we are having more than two integers. Three integers are there. So how we will multiply more than two integers? For that, first we need to put multiply sign in between. 4 -10 and multiply 6. Now multiply first two integers, that is 4 multiplied by 10, that is 40, and plus 4 plus and minus sign will become plus, minus becomes minus. Now multiply by 6. 40 multiplied by 6, that is 240, and minus and plus, because 40 is in negative, 6 is positive, so minus plus becomes minus. So answer is -240. Let's understand another example also. For example, -3, -11 and 2. Now how will multiply these three integers? For that, first we need to put multiply sign in between. Now फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई नंबर्स, पहले सिर्फ नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 multiplied by 11, that is 33. So 33, and minus minus becomes plus. So no need to write the plus sign. Multiply by 2. 33 multiplied by 2, that is 66. 66 is the answer. Now how we will divide the integers? Division. For example, let's take a number 10 divided by -5. I'll divide 10 by -5. So basic division करना है. जैसे बेसिक डिवीजन करते हैं, सिर्फ नंबर्स को पहले डिवाइड करेंगे. अभी साइन का नहीं देखेंगे, सिर्फ नंबर्स को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. तो 10 को डिवाइड करेंगे 5 से. हाउ मेनी टाइम इट विल गो? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. Subtracted and remainder is 0. That means 10 is completely divided by 5 and the remainder is 2. जो भी quotient आएगा, that will be the answer. Here quotient is 2, so write 2 here. And now look at the sign. 10 is positive, 5 is negative. That means plus minus becomes minus. Now B part, let's take another example. Minus 36 divided by minus 2. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू डिवाइड ओनली नंबर्स, पहले सिर्फ नंबर्स को डिवाइड करेंगे. 36 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, सो 2 1s are 2, 16 and 2 8s are 16 and remainder is 0. That means 36 is also completely divisible by 2 and the quotient is 18. So whatever will the quotient will be the answer. Quotient here is 18. So 18 will be the answer. Now we have to look at the sign. Minus minus. Minus 36 is also negative. 2 is also negative. Minus minus becomes plus. You can write plus 18 also, or you can either write 18 also. No need to put the sign when the number is positive. Now next, let's see another example. For example, minus 200 divided by minus 100. Again, first we need to divide the numbers. 200 divided by 100, that will go 2 times, subtracted and the remainder is 0. So the quotient is 2. So जो भी quotient होगा वो हमारा आंसर होगा. 200 divided by 100, that is 2. Now look at the sign. Minus and minus. Minus minus become plus. So you can write plus 2 also, or either 2. Now next, 124 divided by minus 31. Again we need to divide the numbers first. 124 divided by 31, how many times it will go? 4 times. 31 4s are 124. Subtracted and the remainder is 0. That means quotient is 4. The quotient is our answer. Now look at the sign. Plus 124 is a positive term, so plus and minus. Plus minus becomes minus. So answer is minus 4. Now next, simplification. Let's take number example. 12 minus 24 divided by minus 12. See, in simplification we need to follow the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS is BOD. Now let's understand how to simplify. So in simplify we need to follow the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS, B is for bracket, any bracket, that is braces, square bracket or parenthesis. O is for off. Off is also means multiply. D is for division. M is for multiplication. A is for addition and S for subtraction. So here 12 minus 24 divided by minus 12. So here we are having two signs, that is subtraction and division. So first we need to follow the subtraction or division. According to BODMAS, division comes first. So पहले division करेंगे. That means 24 divided by minus 12. So 24 divided by minus 12, that means only first we need to divide numbers only. 24 divided by 12, that will go 2 times. 12 2s are 24, subtracted and remainder is 0. That means quotient is 2. So quotient is 2. Now look at the sign, plus and minus. Plus minus becomes minus, that is minus 2 is the answer. Now that is the answer of only division. Now we have to solve the rest of the part also. 12. Now open the bracket. Minus minus becomes plus 2. 12 plus 2, that is 14. So 14 is the answer. Now let's understand one more example. B part. For example, 5 multiply 10 divided by minus 10. So again, according to BODMAS, multiply होता है कि division पहले होता है. So first we need to divide. So 5 multiply 10 divided by 10, that is minus 1, and 5 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 5. Let's see one more example. 22 divided by 11 minus 33. Again, division and subtraction is there. Two operations are there. So first we need to solve division according to BODMAS. Division come first. So 22 divided by 11, and we'll divide 22 by 11. So 11 2s are 22. So quotient is 2. जो भी quotient होगा वो हमारा आंसर होता है. 22 divided by 11, that is 2. Now 2 minus 33. So again signs are different. One is positive, one is negative. So we need to do subtraction. जब भी साइन डिफरेंट होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव होता है एक निगेटिव होता है, या एक निगेटिव होता है एक पॉजिटिव होता है, तो हमें वहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करना होता है. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 from 33, that is 31, and the sign will always be of the greater number. Greater number is 33. 33 is a negative, that is minus 31 is the answer. Next, if it is a simplification in terms of addition and subtraction, let's understand. 100 minus 200 plus 300. So when we are having more than two numbers, so how we will add or subtract? So first we need to write only positive numbers. 100 is positive and 300 is positive. So first we need to write positive numbers together. Now 200. Now 100 plus 300, that is 400, minus 200. Again sign are different. One is positive, one is negative. So we need to subtract. 400 minus 200, that is 200 is the answer. Now let us understand one more example. Minus 10 plus 30 minus 20 plus 40. Again first we need to write all the positive numbers together. The positive numbers are 30 and 40. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स कौन से हैं? 30 और 40 हैं. पॉजिटिव नंबर्स मीन्स जिसके आगे प्लस लगा होगा. तो 30 and 40 आर पॉजिटिव. फर्स्ट वी नीड टू राइट पॉजिटिव नंबर्स टुगेदर, देन नेगेटिव नंबर्स. नेगेटिव नंबर्स आर 10 and 20. So that is minus 10 and minus 20. Now first we need to add all the positive numbers together, that is 30 and 40. 30 and 40 is 70. Then we need to add all the negative numbers together. 10 and 20, that is 30 minus 30. Now 70 minus 30, that is one number is positive, one number is negative. When the sign are different, we always have to do subtraction. So 70 minus 30, that is 40. 40 is the answer. I hope this is clear.